This is much more intimate. So for these events, we're looking at about 300, 400 an event. So we just had, I would say 300 who just did a walk, and we're going to do another 300 in 10 minutes.
Yes, I'm excited to bring the Mind Travel Silent Walk and Silent Hike experience across the country from coast to coast. You know, sometimes these experiences are typically in places like New York or LA or San Francisco, and I'm excited to bring it across the country. 21 cities, you know, stopping off at the most beautiful places in our great cities across the country.
So we were listening to Murray's beautiful music, walking around the garden, and I just wanted to stop for a second, and Elena pulls out a note that says, "My love, come walk over here with me." And I'm like, okay, and I walk over here, and they hold up a sign that says, "Marry me." I mean, in lights and everything. And the music is still going on, so I'm like, the music and what I'm seeing, and it's all coming together that my friends and family came for this, and she just pulled off the most epic proposal like ever. I'm speechless.
Yes, we heard them at the end of the concert, and I think that's so wonderful that they're using the space that Mind Travel creates to express love. And that's really the idea, is that when you are able to tap into that deepest part of you, you can show up with more love and compassion in every aspect of your life. And obviously they did that.